Hey, I'm Max and welcome to another devlog. In this video I will show you the process of creating my map with roads, trees, grass and more. The first step was to make the landscape and shape it. Unreal Engine has already a built-in tool to do that, so it was very easy and fast. Then I had to add roads because I want to make villages and cities. I created a basic road mesh with sidewalks. The problem is that when I do intersections, it looks very bad because they get curved and the sidewalk goes in the middle of the street. I had to think of a better way to add roads. Thankfully, I found a project shared on the Unreal forums that had some very good road making mechanism. So I imported them into my project, and now that I had every tool, I simply had to take the time and build something decent. I made some roads and hills and mountains on the side. The results were pretty good, but the game became very laggy. That is because every time a road is loaded, it would create a bunch of little road parts connected to each other, which took a lot of time. I tried changing the way they load, but that just broke everything and didn't even fix the lag. After searching a bit, I found that Unreal Engine has a tool to merge a bunch of little things into one big thing, so I tried it with a few roads and found that since it could load the whole road as one mesh instead of a bunch of little mesh, it was a lot faster. The only downside is that after merging them, I cannot edit the road shape anymore. So I had to make sure that every road was set up correctly and then merge them into one big mesh. After merging them all, loading the roads still sometimes caused a little bit of lag, but not nearly as much. Then I added a small lake with trees, grass and flowers outside the village to create a little nature environment. I also added different houses next to the roads and some big apartment buildings with a river in the city. So here is how the map looks for now. Then I added a new pedestrian system, so they follow points on the sidewalk. I also made it so enemies can use different powers. I might need to improve the AI a little bit for some of them, but at least they work. I still have work to do before the game is playable, and I don't plan to drop this game like my RPG, because this one is actually really fun. But I will take a little break because doing the same thing for months gets annoying, and I know if I push myself I'll get burnt out and drop the game. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to see the next ones, and feel free to check out my other videos.